Hi, and welcome to my channel, Crafting with Indiana Jones. I happen to be Indiana Jones, and I'm here to share some fun crafting ideas, some thrift flips, and other crafting adventures I just happened upon from season to season. I hope you'll join me as I try some new things and share my love of crafting with you. Let's get started. Recently, I just received another package from HTVRont with their permanent vinyl created just for Cricut Joy machines. I happen to have a Cricut Joy, and I do feel like I should be using it more often because it is such a useful tool, and it's so convenient because it's small and compact. And I was so thrilled when HTVRont reached out to me and offered me this wonderful package of all these great permanent vinyl products. I decided that I wanted to use these for some of my Valentine's Day projects. Here I am creating a wine glass for myself, or possibly maybe for a friend of mine, and it just says, wine is my Valentine, because for now, it seems like it will be my Valentine, and there's nothing wrong with that. But I thought it would be cute to create this little Valentine's Day wine glass for myself, or like I said before, for a friend. So here I am combining all the different colors. There's only 2 different colors. Now I have to admit, I'm very basic when it comes to the Cricut Joy and any kind of Cricut kind of projects. I'm still learning my way around it, but slowly and surely I will get through more advanced projects. So I hope you don't mind that I share this with you right now. Lucky for me, the Cricut Joy is pretty easy to use. I'm still getting used to, however, the design space that you have to use with Cricut. But I find that if you find SVG files that are free online on the internet, it's the best way to go. That way you don't have to design it yourself. And if you do design it, you can also design in Canva. I think that's also very easy. And there you have it. Look at my little wine glass. I love this. Wine is my Valentine. Next, I have these wonderful little wood signs that I got at Hobby Lobby when they were 90% off. So I believe these were, if I'm not mistaken, they were $2.99 or $3.99 each. So yes, they were 29 cents or 39 cents. Crazy. So once again, using the HTVRont permanent vinyl. There's so many colors. It was amazing how many colors they have. And what I loved about this is that they're already cut just the perfect size for the Cricut. So they're probably around 5 inches wide and 12 inches long. So it's enough space, but I don't have to be cutting the vinyl. It's such a pain when you have to cut the vinyl and all that stuff. So here I am using this SVG design once again that I found online, and I was able to download it from one of those free SVG file locations. And there you have it. I love this little love one. And I wanted to make a matching sign to have it, I don't know, go along with it on either sides of my door, or for either one of my doors. And here I'm going to create another selection of little hearts, once again using my Cricut Joy, which I love, and just using all of this vinyl. The vinyl had so many colors, as I said before, and this time I wanted to not just use red, but I had pink and hot pink and purple and it's light pink. It was so much fun. I really did enjoy making this, and you don't usually see me doing this kind of crafts. So, you know, I'm trying to expand my crafting abilities this year. I think that's one of the resolutions that I made, is I really wanted to learn how to do other things. And I really haven't worked in my Cricut that much unless I really had to. And it is a great, useful tool, not that expensive. And again, these vinyl materials are wonderful, especially from HTVRont. I really didn't have to work too hard to make sure that they stuck, and they were permanent. It was great. Here I am just making sure that all the items are down and there's no bubbles, and that's it. I have my 2 beautiful little matching signs to welcome in the Valentine's Day season. I think it's time for a snack break. You mind if I have some tea and toast? I'll be really quick about it, and I'll show you something new that came along the way. Hey, you. Yeah, you. Is that any way to have breakfast? Whoa, now, take it easy. I just want to give you a friendly message and reminder that you deserve to have a nice breakfast every day. Yes, you do. Put down that cold cereal. You should have something warm and inviting, and something that's easy to create every day with Redmond Home Appliances. That's right. Let me introduce you to Redmond Home. Get rid of that nasty toaster and invite a Redmond home appliance to your home today. It's beautiful, sleek, classy, and it gives you this wonderful classic look to your kitchen. A very easy user manual as I unload or unpack my new Redmond kitchen appliance. I love my new little toaster. My old toaster really had to go, but look at this. It is just straight out of mid-century. It's perfect, and it even matches my dress. What a perfect gift, even for Valentine's Day. And I just think it is wonderful. I love the chrome and the red. It's so perfect and easy to use. There's just 3 little buttons, very easy. And what I loved about it is, yes, it even had a toast color selector. Even Luna approved of my new toaster appliance. Here I am using my buns. That's right, my buns actually fit into this toaster. And look at how nice and warm and toasty my buns are. Now, you'll always look good with a Redmond toaster in your home. So check it out down in my description so you can find out more about Redmond home appliances. I know what you're going to say. I made a mailbox last week. I decoupaged a mailbox last week. But this is different. It's a mini mailbox. And I found it in my stash. And I might as well use it. And yes, I realize it has Valentine's Day stuff splattered all over it. But I don't know. It's kind of like, it doesn't fit my decor. It's kind of like too much. And yeah, so I just covered it in some, what is this called? What is this called, people? You know what it's called. Just answer down below. Oh goodness, what is this called? It's scrapbook paper. That's what it is. Scrapbook paper. Yeah, this is from my scrapbook paper that my friend Jane always brings to me and then asks me for Valentine's Day paper like within the same week she brought it to me. I don't get that. But anyway, here I am just adding some trim to my little mailbox. And yes, I'm going to point out my nails. They look lovely. I admit it, and it's thanks to Nail Addict, a fully vegan nail gel that I'm using, and this is called Less is More. That's the color. It's this beautiful baby pink. But let me tell you, it puts up with the wear and tear that I put my nails and my hands through, especially in crafting. It's amazing. Paint does not stick to it like it usually does. So here, all I'm doing is adding some trim of some flowers and some greenery because I just love to overdo it. That's why I like Shabby Chic, because it's a little overdone. I didn't like, Farmhouse because it was like so stark. It was so minimalistic. If I'm anything, I'm a maximalist. It's like I got stuff everywhere. So I'd love to add a little bit more of embellishments and paint things gold and add some pearls. And that's why I like Shabby Chic. So although my house is more shabby than chic, but this is really chic. I love this. I think it's adorable. But we're not going to end there. Of course not. You can't just have an empty mailbox. No, you got to have some notes. So I found this little note that said, "Hello, gorgeous." And I always love that, from Barbara Streisand when she would say, "Hello, gorgeous." Love that. So here I have some dried flowers that I had hanging around the house. Just happened to find them. And I think they're perfect for this little mailbox and this little note. So this is for all of you, saying to you, hello gorgeous to you too. Hope you have a great day. Talk me into it. So here I am just prepping up this little round. It just seems so, vintage, shabby chic kind of looking. And I found these wonderful graphics from who else? The Graphics Fairy. I love using the Graphics Fairy for all of my shabby chic ideas. Then I decided, I found some scrap, ribbon, pink ribbon, which I thought was perfect for this. So I'm just stringing it through. And I'm really having a lot of trouble with my ribbon storage. Tell me what you do for your ribbon storage. I know there are crafters out there and you are struggling with your ribbon storage. So tell me, when you have like little scraps of ribbon, where do you keep it all? I just have a big old, hefty bag or something. Not a hefty bag, but one of those sandwich bags. But anyway, here I'm just adding, because it's shabby chic, I have to add some more. I have to embellish it some more. So I added a little bit of gold all over. Now, I will say I should have used the matte Mod Podge instead of this very glossy one, but I'm very happy with how it looks anyway. So which one was your favorite, and which one are you going to create? I hope I have inspired you to make something beautiful and creative in your home this season. And I hope you celebrate the season with a little something homemade by you. As I always say, stay safe, be kind, God bless each and every one of you, and remember to live the adventure. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm trying to build my community, and I hope you become part of my little YouTube family. Thanks again, and see you soon. Bye.